For the entire nation, all the girls who loves dancing, who want to pursue in dancing. They can be bad dancers, they can be excellent dancers, they can be prize-winning dancers, or they can be two left feet dancers. For each and every one, you're the god of dance.
Should hug me.
No, that's why you don't know, only we know. It's been an entire nation, millions and billions of girls' dream to dance in front of you. And today, if only I had not done my knee surgery, I would have begged them to even do one small movement in front of you.
Oh.
God has punished me for that.
No, it's not punishment. But first of all, hello to all of you. Valentine's Day and lots of love to all the girls. And very few gentlemen here because I know that all these girls today's Fem Fest and they've told the boys, sorry, gents not allowed. That's what I said in Mawake Hain Kaun to Salman Khan, if you remember.
But we don't have Salman Khans here. All Papu Khans level. But it's okay, ma'am. They'll feel happy outside, all Salman Khans. Please tell me. Please talk to them.
Lovely being here tonight, and I think this has been, I've traveled world over, I've gone everywhere. Bila, I love you too. And I've not seen such an enthusiastic crowd anywhere. This is the best crowd ever. So first of all, very honored. Thank you for bringing me here. They asked me, Madam, wanna come? I said, yes, I wanna come. I wanna come to Chennai. I wanna meet all the ladies at Satyabama University. Congratulations, all of you. And the university is doing such a lovely job of education. And it's my honor and pleasure to be here.
Ma'am, what do you think about inclusive education? To treat each and every child with abilities, with the disabilities, the same way. Because you've been the ambassador of UNICEF.
Yes, I am an advocate for their child rights, and I think it's wonderful what you're doing here, because everybody should get equal opportunity, they should get equal access, and only then will be progress, and they will learn, they will grow, and we all will grow together. And it has to be done together as a society. So wonderful, kudos, congratulations about the program too.
Thank you, ma'am. And all the students here who wants to become heroine, who wants to become actress, or who wants to become dancers, until they see their first success, how long should they try? And how should they try? Please give them one line about that.
There's only one thing I'll tell all you girls. Don't let people tell you what you can or cannot do. Because you can do anything. If you dream, you can achieve it. As you can see with all the ladies here today who are being awarded, they all have dreamt and they all have achieved. So please dream, keep on dreaming, do different things and be free. I think that's something that you should do. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I'm not going to take you much of your time.